Panginoon.
Kahit naman ganito, we have been working hard on this silently. Now, meron namang justice na maibigay natin sa biktima at saka sa pamilya. Now, ito naman, naumpisa na rin na imbestiga sa other law enforcement agencies, and we will find a way na we will sit down with them and probably confer kung ano bang may tulong para pag-isahin namin yung effort, and we can have a good case against the suspects.
Sir, base dun sa background ninyo, matagal na bang ginagawa ito ng grupo na ito?
Ang gano'n na nga eh.
Paano nyo nasabi?
Yun na nga, may mga information kami rito eh.
Marami na silang nabiktima.
Yeah.
Pero sir, parang amateur yung ano nila eh.
Siguro, this guy is the new member of the group. Pero yung iba talaga medyo notorious na.
Sir, hindi ba sila parang gun for hire? Kasi
Wala po kaming information about gun for hire, but ang sa amin lang talaga, hold up, card up, yung mga gano'n.
Sir, ba't iniwan nila yung kotse?
Now, we do not know. Sabi nga niya, parang
panic.
this is a plain and simple hold up. Panic na rin siguro.
Sir, dito rin titiwan niya hold up, sir. Hindi niya mag-imbestiga pa rin regarding dun sa sabi niyang gun for hire.
We will look into all the angles that might help solve the crime in this area. Baka yung ibang mga krimen dyan silang involved.
Sir, yung natanggap ng info, sir, yung nag-feed sa inyo, init naman na ito na yung suspect dito kay pagpatay kay
Hindi pa. There is a big possibility that this might be the same group involved in this.
Dahil yung una pa lang, sir, ang tinitin yung rito motibo, robbery. Ganun ba yun, sir? O ano?
Wala po kaming masabi dyan kung ano talagang motibo because, as we said, we have been reading also in the newspapers, in the TV, kung ano man ang possible motive. Ngayon lang, masasabi natin na talagang ito na nga.
Ano bigla siya umamin sa inyo? Parang ganun, sir?
Ako?
Bigla siyang umamin.
Ito na nga, ngayon lang umamin. Kaya happy rin kami. Kaya if you will notice, we were also excited na talagang umamin in the presence of the media.
Ano, sir?
Kasi we cannot just ask him, we cannot confront him with all these things without the lawyer.
Who will get the reward?
Yes, sir.
Ha? Meron palang reward. We will talk about it later.
So sir, linawin lang natin, hinuli sila dahil dun sa hold-upan kagabi.
Yeah, but we have some
Tapos
information.
na lang.
Yung mga
So, sir, tingin niyo bakit umamin bigla?
there are many reasons why a person will just,
Isa, sir. Isa na lang.
probably his conscience is bothering him. Nakikita ko
Ano,
naman.
sir, career hold-upper, parang ganun.
Sabi nga niya, new fight pa siya.
Baguhan.
Oo.
First thing na alam mo, sir, posibleng na-surveillance na nila sa
Wala, parang tsamba lang daw ito eh. Tsamba eh.
Sir, yung mga
Kaya you're the one asking those questions. I think you should have a better appreciation of what happened.
Sir, yung mga information na nakuha nyo, as in witnesses yan na nakita ba sila? Ganun ka.
That will be our job tomorrow. Help us. And we will even visit the family and ask and get more information because ang sabi is nakarating na sila sa bahay nila. Then there was already an attempt to open the door, right? Just like that.
Yeah.
Pinto ka lang dahil.
Oh, yun na nga ganun eh. Wala ba, hindi ba nila alam na dumating na? Kaya we have to talk with the parents. Hopefully, welcome.
Communication with the...
Wala pa po. We just, tomorrow, those will be the things that we will be doing. We will talk first with the family, then we will compare with the PNP kung ano mga gather nila para pag-isahin namin yung efforts namin.
Sir, pwede makikisulat, sir. Pwede pakikwento ulit kung paano talaga nangyari yung kay...
Pwede ba na natin uulit-ulitin? Ikaw naman eh. Pagod na tayo.
Sa version lang po ng NBI, sir.
Ha?
Sa version ng NBI. Kasi
Version what?
yung sa inyo, paano nangyari?
Wala nga kaming version eh.
Hindi, kung paano nangyari.
It's only now that we know how these things happen.